The PUMA SMX 2600 ST is our all-new super multitasking turning center, and it's here to take your shop wherever you need to go. 2 turning spindles, a 12,000 RPM milling spindle, and 9 total axes let you make any part you can imagine, all in a single setup. The lower turret sports 12 stations to handle a wide range of applications. The milling spindle has backlash-free B-axis motion for amazing finishes on your parts. If you're ready for the machine that instantly boosts your capability, one that craves your most challenging projects, your choice is simple. The PUMA SMX 2600 ST. It's the new benchmark in high-end machining, now available from Doosan Machine Tools.